little bit quicker throughout this event. And once he got by, you can see he's taken off a little bit here. But no problems. They're just going to wait for their fuel window, and then they'll be pitting and be switching drivers out at that point. Ryan Briscoe at the ready.
Oh, we've got a drama here. Exiting turn 9. Rainy curve. There's a prototype off to the right.
Can't really tell what that one is yet. There's definitely been contact from the two prototypes. It looks like they were involved.
This is Kanaan working his way, trying desperately to get back on the lead lap, and it's the 5 Zytek of Stefan Mucke.
He has beached it. You can see the rear tires just spinning along, so we'll get another caution out of this one.
He is stuck. He's beached. Yes, full course caution number 3 coming up. Pits are closed and the yellow flies. Mucke is calling for assistance. That will happen. There you have it. The whole weekend has been punctuated by a lot of caution, a lot of red flag stoppages during the practice sessions because of this very problem. It's just the nature of Laguna Seca. When you go off, there's never really a quick fix. And Mucke's trying, but he just needs to wait for help. Let's see if we can decipher this one, Dorsey.
Well, we know it goes down to Rainy. Here they came out of the corner, down off of the corkscrew.
Kanaan behind to the inside.
And they do, in fact, make contact early in the Rainy corner, sending both cars. Look at Kanaan. Actually, a great save there, right on board. As we come down the hill, he'll work his way to the inside. Here gets a run going, and it's not going to be quite enough. They're going to bump right there. Kanaan with a great save right there. Fantastic save.
Quick hands.
Well, maybe not.
Quick hands for sure. And he was up on the high side, up on the grass in the firmer ground, not in the safety gravel trap like Mucke there, and so that's why he needs rescuing. That was a close call. Who did you give that one to? Kanaan was a long way alongside, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was. It's a shame that happened there.
Under caution for the 3rd time today.